All right, little buddy. Yeah, I see you there. All right, put your hand through there. All right. Up on the top, yeah? Just keep it up like that all the time. All right, up front here. That's check one.
Checking one.
Check two.
Checking.
Check three.
Got it. 3 and 4.
Checking in.
Okay. Okay. Incoming. You gotta check 5.
All right.
There we go.
Larry 80.
Yeah.
Boy, the toes over the edge.
Toes over. A little bit more. Right there, look up. Remember to dive out as far as you can. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bungee.
Oh my God! Oh man! This is perfect. Woo! Here comes again. Stomach and blood and head. Woo! Holy shit! I'm dizzy. Oh, here come the shakes. Oh, that hurts. Oh, holy crap. All right, once is enough. Oh. Hey! Yeah, good. You're always hanging around. I have no sense of where I am. Oh, reversal. Woo. Woo. The world is upside down still. Oh, my hand is shaking. Oh. Holy crap. Oh. Woo. Matthias.
Hey,
Thank
are
you.
okay, Andy?
Yeah.
Right, so we are now edging up.
Those are hella slippers. Oh, yay, upright.
Yeah.
Woo!
How was your bungee, Andy?
Yeah, that was different.
So which one do you like the most? Bungee
I think the swing's the most fun.
Okay.
Yeah, the bungee is freaking violent.
Ah, nice one, nice one.
Ah,
So from here we are going down. I want you to stand up, okay?
Yep.
On your feet, Andy. Drop.
Yep, got it.
Whew.
Oh, crap.
What's the name, Mara?
Larry.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Larry.
Larry the lizard.
Yeah, the lizards. Bye bye, Andy.